Alright, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Okay, my brother, my sister, on a day. Yes, so this one, another one will be say it dey reach us onto this level. Still on the matter, according to the people, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly, waiting the happen, exactly, waiting the people. They talk okay now onto this level of Gani Adams. The majority of people go say this matter of Gani Adams now wow why be say these people never come together make the kukuma solve this thing once and for all. Majority of people don't come outside they talk say this a man wey they call Gani Adams na him gangan na him suppose don't come outside they can't tell the old Yoruba people say make una no vex so this thing wey I talk na slip of tongue. Okay, so that the matter go fit die down, but the reverse has been the case. With the waiting they still they go on. In fact some Gani Adams boys don't still come outside they talk say waiting their oga talk say no problem inside say waiting in talk say he no do mistake at all say na waiting they sup na in their oga been talk. Now everybody don't come outside say that is to say this man whether they call the Gani Adams in no be for Yoruba people at all say because if at all you want talk some kind thing like that she na this kind time we be say all Yoruba people they suffer na in you can't suppose come outside to the extent the man will be say him they save the Yoruba people we be saying they stand out for the Yoruba people made them for no suffer na in you come they come against. And now unto we say people can see the talk say even all the thing we even talk about this man whether they call it Chief Sunday Gbogbo all na lie. Now everybody so they come outside they ask say waiting this man whether they call Gani Adams one can gain inside this thing because with the matter with the on ground everybody don't talk say everything where Chief Sunday Gbogbo they do for Yoruba people now the work of this man whether they call Gani Adams, but with the news where they reach us they can't they let us they know say even this man if at all he won't even do anything but he not ready to do anything to secure the life of all the Yoruba people. Now the people don't come outside they talk and say like this or this man whether they call it Gani Adams he don't do bad things so he no even want support the Yoruba nation movement and now he don't come outside say like this so he no go even do invest to support this movement with everything where we don't see because this man don't first come outside they talk say this man will be Sunday Igboho he no they really they fight the good fight for the Yoruba people say the kind fight where this man Sunday Igboho they fight now for in pocket of which many people can come outside say na lie you say na this man whether they call Gani Adams gang na him be the man will be say if he no see money for one place he no go support Now everybody don't come outside say this man away then they call Gani Adams he say in secret he don't open unto say one of him boys come outside he say who be Chief Sunday Gbogbo for where in master Gani Adams dey. According to waiting one of him boys talk he say this Gani Adams well now they see he get plenty soldiers for Yoruba land. Now this one converse all the Yoruba people we be say then hear that one they come they talk say oh you mean say this man get plenty soldiers okay waiting come be the working of those soldiers wey in get we be say they come they kpai people for Yoruba land in no come outside see waiting happen for Iwerele we be say all the people they cry out instead they make it the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò we get a plenty soldier go secure the life of those people he no come outside. Now Chief Sunday Gbogbo wey dey far away now he still come outside he come put voice for down say make all the people make them vamoose make them come out for inside that village where they call Iwerele that time. Now people come see verse say okay they tell us to say your oga wey be Gani Adams get a plenty soldier for Yoruba land okay we know say this work of soldier na to secure the people. Now this one will be say dem dey Yoruba land wetin come be their contribution to the to stop the Fulani people to the attack people, most especially the one wey be say Chief Sunday Gbogbo come even do of recent wey happen for Ilora village, wey be say him wey be Gani Adams suppose carry him boys make e don secure the life of those people, but instead dem say na only him himself go even dey do meeting with the Seriki people, wey be say e want make dem even kpai Chief Sunday Igboho. Na all the Yoruba people come outside say this man wetin him even be sef, why they can't give am this title of Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Say this man we must roloye according to wetin all the Yoruba people they come, everybody for Yoruba land now wey be say dem sabi wetin dey happen, they don come outside dey talk say this man must not be our Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Everybody come dey ask say wetin be the usefulness of this Iba Gani Adams sef? Why he no come outside to secure all the Yoruba people unto say him get plenty soldier? This one na to tell you say this man no be better Yoruba man. Many people don come outside dey let us dey understand say this man na very big bastard. Say he no be ojulowo omo Yoruba, him na bastard. In fact he say no be omo oko Yoruba, him na bastard. That is why he dey happy to dey destroy anything wey concern the Yoruba people. And so tey the people don come outside say one man wey be say dem dey call am Seriki abi na Afa, wey dem dey call am Ami Olorun, wey come outside dey come talk a bad thing wey be say e no suppose talk against the Yoruba people. Say make him come outside, make him come apologize. Say if he no apologize, then àwọn alálẹ̀ dem go deal with am. Now all the more Yoruba monarchs now they call say make Iba Gani Adams make e try make e settle things wey dey between him and Chief Sunday Igboho, because we want to make Yoruba nation be a better place wey be say everybody go fit enter, everybody go fit be friend, nobody go dey fight another person. Na so the people don talk. Now the people don't talk say Gani Adams he no go fit stand for where Chief Sunday Igboho dey stand. Say because this one will be say him can they do like say him pass Chief Sunday Igboho. They can't talk say this man whether they call up Gani Adams say where Chief Sunday Igboho they talk, this man no fit talk, because Chief Sunday Igboho he don't do so many things for Yoruba land. They say who him be, wetin he don't do for the Yoruba people. Now these people don't come outside say make it all the people, all the association, all the group like churches, Cherubim and Seraphim, like a select church, or the Onisheshe group and the rest of these people, make them they aware of this man whether they call Gani Adams. Say make all these people make them they careful. Say because this man whether they call Gani Adams waiting in day after now to come see how then they do their activity so that in go fit spoil everything later. Yeah, so now everybody come dey cry out say Gani Adams needed to be exposed, and now the God of miracle don dey expose this man. Because as he dey, the people dey let us dey understand say this man wey they call the Gani Adams, him no dey support the Yoruba people but only dey support the Fulani people. Yeah, so and then now the people don't come out and say somebody will be say him no be a Yoruba man, that is why in the behave in that manner. Say Omoale must be Omoale. Say na exactly waiting they push Gani Adams, na him be that. Now everybody don't see they come outside they talk say make it all the Yoruba people, make everybody cooperate, make we raw Gani Adams loye, meaning make them dethrone him, saying no supposed to be the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land. Alright, my people, now waiting they reach our table now be that we can come say make I can let una know waiting the people they talk and they waiting they sub. Alright, my people, until I come on our way next time, I want use this opportunity to say I thank una, make una try, make una help us, they share, they subscribe, and they make una also they like our video so that it go viral. Now so it be unto this one until I come on our way next time. I say na bye for now.